this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing a little triangle box. I was actually trying to figure out how to do another box, and this is the box that I ended up with. So maybe in the future you'll be seeing the other box, but today I'm sharing this one. But I love it. I think it turned out really cute. I did this in the basic black using our Share What You Love Designer Series paper. This Share What You Love Designer Series paper is the ones that you can order. This paper pack is so pretty, and you've seen me use it a few times already. I love it. And so this is the Designer Series paper, and this is the one that's early released. I'm going to do the next box in this pattern, which is the opposite side of what this one is, because the black is going to be a little bit hard to show you on the video, although I love this black. I'm really getting into this black lately. I don't know what it is, but I just thought it looked really pretty. So that is the paper, but on the opposite side is this one. So I'm going to use this one, and it is it's got shimmer on the other side. It's not really foiled, I don't think. I don't know, maybe it is foiled, but it has a iridescent look to it. But it's gorgeous, and a lot of this one has it too. But this paper is super pretty, and this is part of the early release that started May 1st, and it goes through May 31st. So if you want any of that, and you can also get the new In Colors ink pads. So check it out on my blog. I posted a couple days ago on May 1st when it was available, and so there's 3 bundles and the ink pads that you can purchase now, and it's super pretty, and there's some really nice stamp sets in there too. So this is what I'm sharing today, but this time I'm going to use one of our new In Colors, and it is the Grapefruit Grove, because it coordinates with the other side. So this is one of our new In Colors, Grapefruit Grove, and it coordinates with the other side of this black, and I think it's got Tranquil Tide and what's the other one? One of the new Mint Macaron. But this time we're going to use this side, because it'll be easier for me to show you how to score it and everything, because it is a little bit different. So this piece is 7 3/4 by 8 1/2, and then you're going to need 2 pieces to mat it, which are 2 1/4 by 3 3/4, and then you'll need another piece which is 2 by 3 3/4. I always post the measurements in a project sheet on my blog on the day that I post the project. So you can check it out on my blog at stampinwithamore.com. And I am going to use one of the scrap pieces I had for the basic black. I'm going to still use the basic black for our scallop circle. And you're going to need a little bit of Whisper White to stamp the sentiment. Now the stamp set that I'm using, you can put together anything as tabs for everything. And I just took the Fabulous and the U, and I put them together for Fabulous U. You can do Adorable U. There's so many options with this stamp set. And I love these little images that come with it, so I'm using the little heart. Alright, so let's get started scoring this. And you are good. Let's see, what side are we on? This is the 8 1/2 inch side, so we're going to score it at 2 1/4. And then you're going to turn it, and you're just going to score the other side at 2 1/4. So that's it for that. And then on the 7 3/4 side, you're going to score it at 1/2. I'm going to score it on this side. This is really pretty color. And then you're going to score it at 3. and at 5.5. So that's it. Now we are going to do some scoring by hand using our bone folder and a ruler. But first thing we're going to do is, this is where our little 1/2 inch mark is. You are going to cut this whole section out right here and just leave this bottom square. Save it though, because that's what I used on the other one. You can use it to punch out little circles and stamp on it. Use it, cut out little images, and so always keep these little scraps. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. And then what we're going to do is, you are going to take your ruler, and on these two end pieces here, you're going to mark it at 1 1/8. So just take your ruler and mark it at 1 1/8, and do the same on the other side. And then you are going to score by hand. So you're just going to score from that point, that 1 1/8 mark, to the corner. Make sure you're accurate in doing this, because it makes a difference. So make sure it goes to the corner. It's really simple to do. And then we're going to do the other side the same way. Mark from that marked point to the corner. And do it a couple times. Make sure you're scored good. And that's it. So now what we're going to do is, we're going to cut. So you have about a 1/2 inch on the ends here. You just can eyeball this. This is going on the inside of the box, so you won't see it. And then I'm just going from the corner out, and it's just going to create like a little point there. So I'll show you again on the other side. So just do about a 1/2 inch on both sides, and then just go from this point here and just cut, just like that. Okay, so now we're ready to put it together. So let's grab the bone folder and sharpen all these, because this is really important, especially on this box. But it's so worth it. It's so cute. I just love when there's something a little bit different about a box. And then I'm going to also clip here. This just makes it a little bit easier for it to fold into your box. And now we're going to do these. And on the other side, and then we're going to sharpen this side and this side. I'm going to use some of my tear and tape, and you're going to do it on this inside one. So we're going to put 2 pieces, one on each side here, and one on this other side. This is the one that's going to attach to your box. And I'm going to just burnish that really good so it's easy to pull up. I usually try to go from the center. I usually can get it pretty good that way. Alright, so this one, we're going to fold it, line it up to your edge, and then make sure it's sealed good. And then we're going to do the other side. It took me a while to get this part, the sides, but I really like the way it turned out. So just like that, and it's just perfect. So fill it with your goodies, and then you can just close it up. Now I did mat each piece on here. I matted the bottom also because you can see the bottom and that's where you're going to open it from. So I did mat them all. So let's go ahead and mat this. Make sure you got the two larger ones on the right. Sides, because the bottom is a little bit narrower. Uh-oh, I ran out. I'm running out of snail a lot lately. We've been having like severe thunderstorms here all morning. And so I'm trying, it kind of calmed down a bit, so that's why I'm trying to get my video in. But we've been getting those code red, we've been getting those code red, I may be using my fast fuse. Oh no, I got all day. This is springtime in Texas, so you'd think I'd get used to it after all these years, but I don't. Okay, so it's all matted. Isn't that pretty paper? I love both of the sides of this, but I really love the elegance of the black, and I don't know why I'm just really getting into that black. So I'm going to use the black ribbon. This is our stitched black ribbon. And I'm going to tie my bow like I've been tying them lately because it's been working so good for me. So I'm going to make a loop, and then I create another loop, cross them over, and pull the other loop around, and it makes such a nice bow. I don't know who I saw doing it. I can't remember. It's been a while, but oh my gosh, it has really helped me to get better at my bows. I've been really trying to get better, but look how cute. So we're going to go ahead and grab our Whisper White piece, and I'm just going to use Memento Black, and I'm going to stamp again the same sentiment. Fabulous, you. And then I have the little heart. I'm just going to stamp it right next to the U. Isn't that cute? I love this little set. They're taking away my itty bitty, or my teeny tiny wishes. So, but they are coming out with another one, and I've already ordered it, so you'll be seeing that soon. And then I'm going to, this is the 1-inch circle punch, and then I'm going to punch out of this black the 1 3/8 scalloped. I'm going to use a dimensional for the back. And then I'm just going to add some snail to the back of that. I don't know what happened to that snail, it just unraveled. And I'm going to place that right in the front of the box, like that. And that's it. So here's the other one. I still think I like the black one better with the little leaves, but they're both really cute. And I love the little triangle shape of it. I thought it was really cute. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. So if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwiththemore.com and shop for my blog. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later everyone. Bye.